Hello, my gorgeous friends, and how are you? I sat here this morning and I thought I would like to do another Anahata Code for you. And at that point, this little grey furry thing decided she needed to sit on my lap and join us. So Calico's joining me in this, and I intuited us through to the code for Overwhelm. It's not unlikely, is it? Anyway, so just sit gently and let's activate this code in our heart library, just to understand that something negative, seemingly negative, isn't so much activated in your heart library as neutralized, and with the light shone on the solutions and the gentling and the love. So yeah, activating something that appears to be negative is in fact not. So it just helps you in your day. So sit comfortably and make sure that you've got your body hydrated. Have some water handy. And if you haven't done this before, I'll be taking the set of numbers that's related to Overwhelm and the Anahata Codes and saying them 7 times to activate them. And I'll get you to place the hand that you would like to use as your receiving hand over your heart chakra, and the hand that you want to receive from up in receive mode, palm up. Sit it comfortably. Okay, we're all set. And this is for the code of Overwhelm. We ask for, align with and allow this beautiful Anahata Code. With gratitude and love, we activate the assisting frequency of the emotion of Overwhelm. 471196 28551432. 471196 28551432. 471196 28551432. 471196 28551432. 471196 28551432. 471196 28551432. 471196 28551432. Place the extended hand over your heart and over your other hand. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out through your mouth. Let the breath go. And then say, it is done. It is so. Enjoy your day, beautiful being.